This salsa is so good.
So let's go from now on.
That was a giant bite.
I'm going to make
two of them? You want me to take two of them with my two hands? How's that gonna work?
There's a car.
Where are we? Donut store. Why are we at the donut store? Because we like to, yes, but because why are we get a donut?
Because I love you all day. You go poo. All day, son.
Why did we get a donut, Nolan?
Because you want to. Because there's a car ticket.
Because you went poop in the potty?
Yeah.
Go Nolan. Oh, we're not making donuts right now.
Okay, there's lots of different ones. There's a yellow sprinkle. There's this pink one with sprinkles.
Okay. Do you want the sprinkle one?
If you already got it.
And then the chocolate bar.
Are you excited? Hey, Nolan, are you excited? You get a donut?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, look in there. It's a bummer. We were hoping they'd be making donuts, but they're not. That's the whole part of coming to a Krispy Kreme. It's not to get the donuts, it's to watch the donuts, and then there happen to be donuts freshly baked, so you just eat them. Are we dancing? Kim does boxes real well. That's ridiculous. Well, you got the donuts.
I got donut.
You do what?
I got a sprinkled donut. I know I got a chocolate one.
So I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but our chickens finally started laying eggs. They weren't old enough, but now they are, and we finally have chicken eggs, and it's so awesome. They've been laying for a few days, and they're mostly like our brown-egged ones, but we have two Americanas. And Americanas, they lay blue and green eggs, and they're super pretty. And I didn't show you before we ate them this morning, but here's our little blue egg. Oh, it's so cute. It's like bluish green and so pretty. But the one little problem.
This will be very inconvenient if we have to do this every day.
Here, you want to hold it while you try to grab it?
What are you doing, Sicky? You trying to get to this spot
Come
too?
Up off the egg. See, there is no egg. Oh, yes, there is. Ha! Ugh. Back behind the beast. Oh, it's so warm. Huh. See this? Do that in your house. Oh, she mad. Oh, she mad.
So cute.
From butt to mouth in less than an hour.
We're having our baby, you guys. Just kidding. We're not pregnant, I promise. So we're here. Our friend finally had her baby after 48 hours. We ended up having to do a C-section, which is crazy after laboring for 2 days. It's ridiculous. But we're here to meet the baby. I'm really excited.
Going down.
But you can't see the baby. We need to go to Old Navy. Next, gonna take the shortcut
That's it.
from Olive Garden to Old Navy.
Whoa! We thought this would be the fast way. Maybe I should have rethought this.
The danger way.
This is the dangerous way, but it's also the fastest way.
Old Navy.
This is a road, right? Hey, you got it. He's got it.
Stop. We made it, guys.
Yes.
Straight through.
Why?
Got there before they closed. We're awesome. Now we have to run inside.
You know how many minutes we could have just saved? Shorts for like hiking.
Yeah?
Oh no.
No!
Okay.
Got it. The minute to spare.
Super bad. Okay, these people. We walk in. Old Navy closes at 9. Yeah, it's kind of rude to walk in like before it closes.
8:55.
But it's like 8:54. And we walk in and she's like, no, we're closed, we're closed. And we're like, okay. The door was open and it's not 9 o'clock. Luckily,
What are you doing with your shirt off, crazy?
luckily Mac was like, okay, we're gonna do this anyway. And a different girl walked by and she's like, oh, it's okay, you have 6 minutes. And so we're like, fine. And then we run in, we're like, oh, we know exactly what we want anyway. We're just running really fast. And so we did. And then of course the first girl that worked there like
Her face was like,
dirty looked us.
are you serious?
Don't drop the kind of thing like
I'm sorry, but if you close at 9, you close at 9. It's not like we walked in at 8:59 and we were gonna browse for 40 minutes.
Yeah, we knew exactly what we wanted and exactly where it was and about how much we were gonna pay. So we just had to get in there and get the deal before it was tomorrow when the deal was not. So when we walked in, she said we had 6 minutes left, so it was 8:54. Right here, it had just turned 8:58. Barely less than 4 minutes. Now let's go home.